What's up? It's your boy Jab Anima back with another video. Today we're looking at how can we clean up our outliner. What's our outliner? It's this box right here on the top right. But first, let's go back to our scene. Let's click A and then we're going to hit delete, and that's going to take everything out of our scene. Now we can go back to the outliner, and if you don't see this filter option up here, what you want to do is you want to grab your window and pull it out. We're going to click on this filter and then make sure that this arrow is toggled on. That's going to allow us to lock a layer, which is going to be very important later on when you have lots of layers and you don't want one of those to be selectable. Let's go back to our outliner, and by right clicking and hitting new collection, we can build our collection. So we can do lights, camera, action. This is where our lights and our camera is going to be. Our scene collection, this is where everything that we build is going to be. And then our trash collection. In our trash collection, we're going to unclick this box right here, and that's going to allow us that anytime we build something but we don't want it in our scene, we don't want to delete it because later we might come back to that. So we can just put it in there and it won't show up in our scene because it's been unselected. And that's it, guys. Now you're ready to rock. If you like this video, hit me up on my Twitter, YouTube, or Instagram. Catch you there. See ya.